was invited to moderate two panels, one to start, one to finish. So we just concluded the starting panel. It was great because I think we had great panelists. As usual, it was difficult to keep time, but I think we managed not bad. But we cover really a number of important policy issues related to the way EU is working on an EU level with stakeholders, with the member states, and of course a number of problems and hopefully also some solutions. You know, the future, as we've been told by one entrepreneur, is unpredictable, and but the unpredictability also is opportunity. So understand the future very much depends on development in science, the way universities, research institutes are working, but also how innovation is picked up by society, by citizens, but also by industry. So many important, collaborations and unknown to be clarified, and things hopefully will happen on the good way. And but as again I refer to one of the speakers, most probably we don't have other way around. We really have to go ahead. For Krakow, I left Krakow 19 years ago, and I am back. So I don't know if it's the first message. We started building up this life science cluster, life science community a number of years ago. The good news is that we are on the map. I said we because now I am back. I belong to you, to the network. We need to strengthen our cooperation. We have to keep eye on development. We really have to also think, how to move from the kind of national league to the champion league. And this is the next jump, to play in champion league. We have to strengthen our muscles and be prepared. Now it's difficult to say anything about the conference in this moment because we are still in the beginning. So far, so good. Of course, this kind of conferences, when we have in-person meetings, is an opportunity to meet people, to exchange. I speak almost from today morning till now, to many people. So this networking opportunity is great. I think we have also great panels, so we are also learning. I am learning a lot as well. And finally, it is also important to communicate, as we heard, that Kraków exists, for many people that are here today. It's the first time they are not only in this life science, network here in Kraków, but also in Kraków. So I think also our beautiful city is benefiting from this event, and of course our region. So I hope this is also important to say that we put our pin on the map of life science in Europe. What I like about Kraków now, for me Kraków is my city, is my family, and I feel home. This is most probably what we love to feel. I feel home. I think no, not much. My message, maybe very last message, is that we never give up. They're always up and downs. But we have to keep going. We know directions. There are always winds and waves. But let's continue our ship maneuvers towards the better winds and better future.